Did you know a powerless widow once defeated a corrupt judge just by refusing to quit? She had no money, no influence, no one in her corner. Her opponent was powerful, and the judge? He didn't fear God or care about people. He could have ignored her forever, but she kept coming back, every single day. Give me justice. Give me justice. Give me justice. Finally, the judge cracked. Not because he grew a conscience, not because he suddenly cared. He gave her justice just to make her stop. And then Jesus asked something that should shake us. If a selfish, corrupt judge gives in to persistence, how much more will a loving Father respond to yours? The real message isn't about annoying God into action. It's about trust. Persistent prayer is proof that you actually believe someone is listening. So the next time you feel like giving up on a prayer, remember the widow. She had nothing but stubbornness and faith. That was enough.